Time now for Better Living. Today we're going to be talking topiaries with our friend Nora Murphy of NoraMurphyCountryHouse.com.
You know, topiaries are so beautiful, but they seem like there's a lot of work and you just need to buy them perfect. You're going to show us how we can do this at home.
Yes, and how to maintain them. They're very easy.
Very easy.
They're my favorite, I want to say, house plants, but they live inside at my country house all winter, and then in the spring they come out, they come back in the fall. So now they're ready for a cleanup.
Okay. So we're starting with some lavender?
Some lavender. Now this is a recently purchased piece. It is a French or a Spanish lavender. You could tell by the big fat flowers.
Okay.
And they like to be watered. I also repotted them, so I have a pair. As you can see, I like things in pairs.
Everything's got to come in twos.
Grocery stores have these.
Everything have pairs that I brought today, but I didn't bring their pair necessarily. But this one is very easy. I took the little metal out. What I like to do is I like to use old sun-bleached bamboo sticks.
Okay.
And these are the stakes. And then with jute, where's my jute?
Is this it?
That's it. Thank you, Kara. And then I tie it with jute and clip it.
So that's important to make it look like a topiary. Otherwise, it's just going to look like a plant. You need to kind of tie it and make it stand
Yes.
out.
Well, it needs the structure because its little stem isn't strong enough.
Okay.
Now, I want to say, as opposed to him, he's a myrtle.
This is the plant of love, right?
It is the plant of love. My dear friends, Jimmy and Tom gave these to me years ago, and look how thick it is. It just keeps on getting bigger and bigger. Now, to clip this, you've got to go to a joint.
You got to go to a joint.
And
so find the joint and go all the way down, okay?
Yes, and don't be afraid to clip because it's going to grow back.
Right.
But I let this also go all winter and
without
clipping. So now he's going to be cleaned up for the summer.
Okay.
And then he's going to love the sun and the rain, and he's going to get big and accelerated in growth. And then in the fall, when he comes back inside, it's ready to clip him again.
Okay. Two haircuts.
Oh, this one is great. Let me turn it around. This is my dear friend Donna, she's part of our team. She gave me this for Christmas, and I purposely let this rosemary, which signifies remembrance.
Okay.
I let her go.
Okay.
And then I started to clip her.
Some of your plants are him and some are she. How do you decide that?
I don't know. I guess it's just like the way like this one. That's a good. I don't know why.
I just want to turn it so the camera can see.
Yes.
Take a look at the camera. See how this part is already pruned and ready to go? Whereas the rest of it looks like my hair on a Saturday morning.
And if I were to cut your hair on Saturday, just like you would your child's hair, just take this and you could cut below or right above.
In a blunt way, like a blunt cut. Okay.
Absolutely. And you'll see. This is as easy as it is. And it is better to clip less. And you can always go in and clip more. But you can't paste it back on.
Exactly. Once you start clipping away.
So then you're going to use that rosemary for maybe cooking or something else?
Rosemary chicken tonight.
Okay.
But look at this. I mean, let's...
I don't think people, a lot of times, I love herbs, but I don't think of them as being a beautiful plant. And that's so nice. It can be a plant and it can serve you.
Yes.
This smells so
amazing.
Amazing.
And just keep clipping it to the shape you want.
Which is so nice. You'll never have to buy rosemary.
Now, I also highly recommend a little snipper like this. Okay. And this is a Fiskars. And then when you have a thicker branch, use a bigger one. You can also use your scissors.
Oh, okay.
Okay, if you don't have this, but this is fabulous for herbs.
Okay.
Better, okay.
So that is a work in progress.
Okay.
Now, yeah, let's talk about that.
You're going to do the azaleas, okay.
Azaleas. Now, this is something, Kara, that not many people think of for topiaries.
Okay. Yeah.
I've received these azaleas for Mother's Day gifts, Easter gifts. I think I've shown them before. I know when you've been over and it's in full flower. And you can see they're braided. Now, every time they get bigger, they go into a bigger pot. But again, not so big that it's just, too loose and they're overwhelming. So what we're going to attempt to do today is we're going to attempt to braid this.
We only have a minute.
Okay, here we go. So I'm going to take the 3 largest stems.
So you're literally going to braid.
And I'm literally going to braid. And keep in mind that this is not going to look so pretty right away. And now we're going to snip off
any excess.
Any excess.
That's not in the braid. Okay, so you're kind of training
And
it
you,
to grow.
yes, it's like a bonsai.
Yeah, it really is like a bonsai.
And you're going to keep snipping it. And again, you got to be okay with that. But look at this. Already you're starting, and then with the jute, you're going to tie it.
Okay.
And then, oh, here, sweetie, you could use that one.
Oh, okay. I just got,
That might not.
that won't work.
Yeah, I got you the scissors.
Okay.
And then you're going to keep clipping.
And keep clipping as it continues to
Keep clipping as it continues to grow, and it's going to turn into one of those.
grow. Absolutely amazing.
There you
That's
go.
so
I just
cool.
made a little bow. I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it.
Oh,
I would never think to clip the bottoms.
it looks beautiful.
It does. It looks a little strange right now, but it's going to come
a little
around.
Charlie Brown azalea, but I never knew that I've seen braided, that they grew this way. I never knew it was because someone braided them.
All right, well, for more gardening ideas and tips, check out Nora's e-magazines. You're going to find them on her website, noramurphycountryhouse.com.
Thank you so much, Nora.
Thank you.